Well, I guess you heard that there's a storm. You all should stay inside and warm, 'cause school is canceled, the bus just won't get to ya. The wind is high, the snow's in drifts, but you have to make work for your shift, 'cause all your patients, they depend upon you. Well, I miss Cuba and Bermuda and the sunshine in Aruba. No school for kids, they'll flip their lids, then through the house they'll run and skid. Just go outside and play before I kill you. They say, Dad, we want to stay inside to my man cave. I run and hide and close the door, 'cause spring can't come too soon, yeah. I miss Cuba and Aruba. I'd be there now, but I lack no So I hid and worked on travel plans while the kids played drums on pots and pans. The noise they made just seems to go right through ya. But I found a southern travel deal, including rooms and drinks and meals, for less than I expected. Hallelujah, hallelujah. St. Kitts and Lucia, sun and water, I'll be there soon, yeah. So now the kids don't seem so bad. While we're away, they're with Mom and Dad. Hope the parents will survive and make it through, yeah. But I don't care, I'm in the sun, I'm swimming, reading, having fun, with umbrella drinks that they will bring right to you. Jello shooters, margaritas, swim up bar stools, senoritas, fuzzy navels, my tension eases, nice hot sun and no colds or sneezes. Fuzzy navels, my tension eases, nice hot sun, no colds or sneezes.